back, guys. So today I'm going to unbox this. This is woman's Air Jordan 3 Ritual that my son got, and he already saw this on the goat. So anyway, let's go ahead and unbox this for you guys. Although he already unboxed it already, so just want to film this to show you guys before we ship it out. Give you guys a 360 view of the box. You got the orange Jumpman logo on the top of the lid. And you got the cement texture on the box. Got the Jumpman with the Air logo right here. Let's go ahead and check out the bottom real quick. And you got the Nike swoosh, Air Sole, and Jumpman with the recycle symbol. You got the Air Jordan wing logo right here, orange color. And then this one, you got the Jumpman again. Let me, you see it's in the upside down. And this one is made in China. And then it says this aerosol brand shoes contain aerosol brand insole. Let's go ahead and show you the size label. So you got another Jumpman logo with the Air. Go ahead and check out this size label. So this one is size 9.5. It is retail for $190. And you got the Go Jumpman logo right there. I don't know why it says made in Vietnam. So I guess the box is made in China. Here is your barcode right there, or the UPC code. You got the cutout right here. So yeah, let's go ahead and open this real quick. Got this measurement right here on the lid. So the paper is kind of ripped. So you got like a cement logo on the texture of the tissue paper. Wow, look at this. Pretty nice. Got the cement texture right here. And also on the front of the toe box. And this one's like a gold, yellow. And then here's your plastic tag. Got the Jumpman Air. So this side is debossed, and this is embossed on this side. And this is like a mustard yellow color right here, wrapping around the back of the heel cup. There's your air sole right there. Nice. your German and then air logo. Got the white lace. Got the gray on the outsole. And you got the Jordan right here. And you got the yellow rings right there. 1, 2, 3, 5 of those circle. Also on the opposite side. On the inner tongue, it is in I don't know, mustard yellow color. And then you got the white lace tip. There's your German again. Yeah, try to take out the shoes tree so I can show you the tag. Oh my god, so tight. I know the size label is kind of messed up or wrinkled. Let's see. So this one is made in Vietnam. Let me try the other side. Maybe it's easier to open it up. Go ahead and check it out. I see a little glue right here. And they got another German right there on the insole. It's nice stitching right there. So let me see if I can try to show you guys the tag on the side. Yeah, I think this size looks much better. Let me try to zoom in first. So yeah, that's the best I could do, okay? So actually this is woman's size 11. So it is equivalent to size 9.5 in men's size, okay? And then there's another dimension right there for the box. Well, anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop me in a comment down below. And I will film a separately to pack this, because last time you guys want to see how I packed it. Anyway, I'll see you guys on the next video, guys. Like always, peace.